Hello, this is Nevis again. I'm going to show my colleagues how to use a screencasting program called ScreenCastoMatic. So I'm just going to put the link in the toolbar. I'm going to add the link underneath the video for those of you that may not remember how to get to it. So I'm just going to show you how the free version works. It's very simple and very easy. Here we go. Now you can either create an account, sign up. It is free to sign up, and it will always be free to use the free recorder. I'll show you the pricing for it. Look at the plans just quickly. So if we go down the bottom here, we'll see the always free, the deluxe and the premier. Now I do have the deluxe, but I'll just show you how easy it is to just, for the moment, for this period to where we want to be able to create 10-minute videos or 6-minute videos for our students in a flipped learning classroom. These 9 great features really give you everything that you really need, and you can also add music if you want to your video. I don't recommend it if you're going to do a lesson where they need to be listening to what you're saying, because sometimes the music can override if you have a soft voice like mine, for example. And again, these are the collaboration and sharing tools that are also included in the free account. So all you need to do is go here or to that page we were on before and launch free. Once you click on launch free, it will take you here. You can choose the language. So let's choose Italian for my colleagues at the moment. Launch the free recorder. Okay, I've already got the recorder going, so it's going to have a problem. But anyway, this is it. It's really easy. Just launch the free recorder and you're all set to go. And it starts right here from your browser, and that's all you really need to do every time you want to do a video for up to 15 minutes. And it's free, so you don't have to download it. Then you save it to your drive, and then from your drive you can upload it into YouTube or leave it in your drive, and from your drive share it into a classroom activity, or upload it to the drive in G Suite, and then from there allow your students to access it. That's it. That's how easy it is. So ScreenCastoMatic is what you can use to record your flipped learning lessons right now. Bye for now.